Dr. Ria and I'm from the Indian Dental Association. If you have an ache in your tooth that is very excruciating, you need to visit a dentist as soon as possible, as you might need a root canal treatment. There are certain things you need to know about the procedure. The first part is to find out whether you need a root canal or not. Root canal procedure saves your tooth. Root canal treatment is necessary when the pulp, which is the soft tissue inside your teeth containing blood vessels, nerves, and connective tissue, becomes diseased. During root canal treatment, your dentist removes the diseased pulp. The pulp chamber and root canal of the tooth are then cleaned and sealed. If the infected pulp is not removed, pain and swelling can result, and your tooth may have to be removed. The various causes that lead to an infected pulp of the tooth are deep cavity, repeated dental procedures, cracked or broken tooth, injury to the tooth. Treatment for root canal is simple, and the best a dentist can do justice to is by simplifying complicated procedures. These are the stages. Examination of mouth is carried out. X-rays to find out extent of decay. If required, local anesthesia may be given. An opening is made in the crown to reach the pulp. Removal of infected pulp and toxins from the canal. Shaping and filling of canal is done to widen the canal. Medication of pulp chamber is done to take care of infection. In case of infection, medication will be prescribed. Filling rubber cones and paste into the canal is carried out. A temporary filling is done. A permanent filling is done. Crown is made in order to protect and to re-establish original form and function. If the tooth is badly damaged, a metal post may be inserted to reinforce the tooth before preparing it for the crown. Remember, regular checkups are necessary. A tooth without its nerve can still develop cavities or gum diseases. And at most, these visits are necessary after root canal procedures. Remember, oral care is inexpensive, and if you follow your oral routine, it will prevent oral diseases. For more tips and techniques to keep your teeth healthy and shiny, watch more videos from the Indian Dental Association. For more information, speak to your dentist.